Take control of your health with these great acid reflux tips. Acid reflux is problematic, and it can seriously destroy your quality of life. It is often difficult to determine the best way to get it under control, but it is crucial that you understand how to make a difference. How do you cope when you get acid reflux? Keep watching to get great tips for eliminating acid reflux once and for all. If you are experiencing acid reflux issues and you do not have an antacid on hand, you can use baking soda to alleviate the problem. You will start to feel relief within a few minutes of taking it. If you smoke, you should quit. Smoking can cause acid reflux. It can slow down your digestion and also your saliva production as well. The esophagus becomes weak when you light up too. Therefore, stop smoking immediately to help your condition. Fat around your stomach doesn't just put you at increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease and stroke, it also causes you to be more likely to develop acid reflux or will worsen symptoms if you are already a sufferer. Lose weight by exercising moderately and eating low-fat, low-acid foods. We truly are what we eat. If we eat high-fat foods, we will become obese and be at risk for acid reflux. It is important that we instead focus on low-acid foods, which are lean and healthy. Choose vegetables and whole grain carbohydrates along with lean protein for your meals to curb your suffering. Slippery elm is a supplement which can help to thicken the mucus lining layer of the stomach. This helps protect your stomach from the acid within. To get the most out of this remedy, take up to 2 tablespoons after a meal or before sleeping. Do you suffer from respiratory problems? Do you have a chronic couch or wheeze often? If so, it could be an acid reflux problem. Heartburn could cause these symptoms. Your doctor might suggest a pH test. This procedure is done on an outpatient basis over the course of 24 hours and can determine if reflux is a problem. Take over-the-counter antacids or acid relievers. These are very helpful in relieving acid reflux for a lot of people. If they do not offer you relief, talk to your doctor about a prescription for your reflux. They can also help relieve symptoms and work to heal your esophageal lining if you suffer from acid reflux. Avoid laying down immediately after consuming a meal. That's because lying down after a meal can make digestion more difficult, resulting in acid reflux. Remaining upright can avoid issues with your acid reflux and keep you feeling healthy. Now that you've been given this advice, the odds are great that you'll conquer acid reflux. Getting rid of acid reflux should be a main goal now that you know how easy it is. The more you know, the easier it is to fight back. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.